This is a stark carpet, and it was treated with a fabric protector, and we're going to see how the red wine fares on it. And as you can see, we pour some red wine on it, and the table's not quite level, so it's rolling off. Let's get the wine spot in the middle. Let's see if we can blot it up and if there's going to be a permanent stain on this New Zealand wool. Even the white part, it should come right out, so we'll just blot it up. Remember, always blot, don't scrub. You can blot, push down, twist, and look at that. The wine has been picked up by just a paper towel, no permanent stains. That's terrific. Remember, wool should be treated. The lanolin protection is not enough, and the white is even clean. So remember, New Dimension Cleaning and Protector.